In a quaint village surrounded by rolling hills and shimmering lakes, there lived a young girl named Alara. Her curiosity was as boundless as the sky, and she spent her days exploring the meadows and forests around her home. Her parents, kind and hard-working farmers, encouraged her inquisitive nature, for they believed that dreams and imagination were the keys to a fulfilling life. One crisp autumn morning, while wandering through the woods, Alara stumbled upon a rusty, ornate key half buried under a blanket of fallen leaves. Intrigued, she picked it up, brushed off the dirt, and examined it closely. The key was unlike any she had seen before, with intricate patterns and a faint, magical glow. Determined to discover its purpose, Alara set off towards the village library, a grand old building filled with ancient books and scrolls. There, she sought the wisdom of the librarian, an elderly woman named Mrs. Thistledown, who had a reputation for knowing the secrets of the past. Mrs. Thistledown inspected the key and, with a twinkle in her eye, led Alara to a dusty, forgotten corner of the library. She pulled out an old, leather-bound book titled The Legend of the Secret Garden. As Alara opened the book, she felt a strange sensation, as if the pages themselves were alive. The book told the tale of a hidden garden, said to be the gateway to a realm of dreams. According to legend, the garden could only be unlocked by a special key, which had been lost for centuries. Mrs. Thistledown looked at Alara and whispered, "My dear, I believe you have found the key to the secret garden of dreams." Filled with excitement and a sense of destiny, Alara decided to embark on a journey to find the secret garden. Armed with the ancient book and the magical key, she bid farewell to her parents and set off on her adventure. Her journey took her through dense forests, across bubbling streams, and over towering mountains. Along the way, together, the trio faced numerous challenges, from navigating treacherous terrain to solving ancient riddles. After weeks of travel, they reached the edge of a vast, enchanted forest, where the entrance to the secret garden was said to be hidden. According to the legend, the garden was guarded by a fierce and mysterious being who would only allow those with pure hearts and noble intentions to pass. Alara, Orion, and Luna approached the entrance, a grand archway entwined with ivy and glowing with an ethereal light. As they stood before it, a figure emerged from the shadows, the guardian of dreams. The guardian, a majestic, shimmering dragon named Serafina, with scales that sparkled like stardust, eyed them warily. "Why do you seek the secret garden of dreams?" Serafina's voice echoed like thunder. Alara stepped forward, her heart pounding but her resolve unwavering. "I seek the garden not for myself, but for the dreams of all who have lost hope. I believe that within the garden lies the power to inspire and bring joy to those who need it most." Serafina gazed into Alara's eyes, searching for any hint of deceit. Finding none, she nodded. "To enter the garden, you must pass 3 trials, each testing your courage, wisdom, and compassion." The first trial took them to a dark cave filled with eerie whispers and shadowy figures. Alara faced her deepest fears, drawing strength from her friends and her unwavering belief in her quest. She emerged victorious, her courage shining brighter than ever. The second trial led them to a labyrinth of mirrors, where illusions and false paths abounded. With Orion's wisdom and Luna's playful intuition, they navigated the maze, relying on their trust in one another to find the true path. The final trial brought them to a desolate wasteland, where they encountered a group of weary travelers in desperate need of help. Despite their own exhaustion, Alara and her friends offered food, water, Alara approached the fountain, feeling a deep sense of peace and fulfillment. As she gazed into the waters, she saw visions of people's dreams, dreams of love, joy, adventure, and hope. Alara realized that the garden's true power lay not in granting wishes but in inspiring people to believe in their dreams and pursue them with courage and determination. She filled a small vial with the fountain's water, knowing it would serve as a reminder of the garden's magic. With a heart full of hope and a mind brimming with new ideas, Alara bid farewell to the secret garden of dreams. Serafina, Orion, and Luna accompanied her back to the village, where she shared her story and the vial of magical water with her family and friends. Alara's journey to the secret garden of dreams became a legend in her village, inspiring generations to come. The magical water from the fountain was used to create a beautiful garden in the village square, a place where people could gather, dream, and find solace. The story of Alara, the brave girl who unlocked the secret garden, spread far and wide, encouraging others to embark on their own quests for dreams and fulfillment. The garden in the village square became a symbol of hope, a reminder that with courage, wisdom, and compassion, anything is possible. As the years passed, Alara continued to explore, learn, and inspire those around her. She never forgot the lessons she learned from her journey, that true strength lies in facing one's fears, that wisdom comes from trusting in oneself and others, and that compassion has the power to change the world. The secret garden of dreams remained a cherished memory, a hidden realm that existed not just in a faraway forest but within the hearts of all who believed in the magic of dreams. And so, the story of Alara and the secret garden of dreams lived on, a testament to the enduring power of hope, courage, and friendship.